So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix PSVR2 left-right controller not pairing, reset, repair and update fix. So how to reset PSVR2 left-right controller not pairing? Connect the PSVR Sense controller to your PS5 using a USB-C cable, then press the PS button to start pairing. If it does not connect, reset the controller using the small pinhole reset button, then reconnect it to the PS5 with the cable and pair again. Also charge the controller, restart the PS5 and remove old Bluetooth connection from settings, accessories before trying to pair again. So fix 1 is connect the controller using a USB cable. Use the USB-C cable that came with your PSVR2 and connect the controller directly to your PS5 console. Press the PS button on the controller while it is connected to start the pairing process. So second fix is reset the PSVR2 controller. If the controller still won't work or pair, reset it. Locate the small reset hole on the controller, insert a pin or SIM eject tool and hold for about 5 seconds. Then reconnect it to the PS5 with the USB cable and press the PS button again. So third fix is charge the controller fully. Low battery can stop the controller from pairing. Plug the controller into the PS5 or a charging dock and allow it to charge for at least 30 minutes. Then try pairing again. So fourth fix is restart your PS5 console. Restarting refresh the system and clears temporary connection issues. Turn the PS5 off, wait 10 seconds, turn it on, then reconnect the controller with the USB cable and press the PS button. So fifth fix is remove old controller pairing from PS5. Open settings, then accessories, then Bluetooth accessories on your PS5. Delete the PSVR2 controller from the list, then reconnect it with the USB cable and press the PS button to pair again. So sixth fix is update PS5 system software. Outdated software can cause pairing issues. Go to settings, then system software, then system software update. Install any available update, then try pairing the controller again. Seventh fix is try a different USB cable or port. Some cable only charge and don't transfer data. Use a data capable USB-C cable and try a different USB port on the PS5. Thank you.